Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back with me Krishna again in this channel that always give you the information about places in Bali with the update situation. How are you today? I hope you're doing good, stay safe and healthy wherever you are. Okay, today or this afternoon I'm here in Gianyar Regency. To be exactly, it is in Kamanu village, guys. And today or this time I will take you to one of a hidden waterfall. We call it Sumampan Waterfall. Have you been to this waterfall before? Maybe not a lot of you been to this waterfall because it is still very new. I mean, not a lot of people know about it. So let's go and see how it is. But before we see the waterfall, let's drive around in this village, guys. So don't go anywhere and let's watch until the end of this video. Okay, so as you can see, this is the situation when we drive in the village area. Normally I drive you to a very busy area like Seminyak, Kota or Sanur, and today it's really good time to drive around in this area. As you can see, I'm the only one driving, so no traffic at all, which is good, and we can enjoy the sceneries or the view along the street. And here on the right side, this is actually the material to make a Balinese style building, guys. So when you see houses or temple with beautiful carving, and that is actually the material that we saw earlier. And around in this area, as you can see, a lot of local people live in this village, of course, and also there are some villas. So I think it's a good area to stay because this area is not really far from Ubud. Maybe around 30 minutes from Ubud. And we are getting closer to the waterfall, and if you drive your car, you cannot go closer. You need to park here by the road and you need to walk a little bit to go to the waterfall. But if you drive scooter, we can go drive directly, guys, to their parking area. Okay, so you need to be careful when you drive here because as you can see, the road is not really smooth, it's bumpy. And here on the left side, there is a nice villa, I think, where you can stay during your holiday in Bali. And look at this, guys, in front of us is very nice view. It's rice paddies with a lot of coconut trees. Okay, so I will park my scooter and let's walk around in this waterfall, guys. And here in front of us, there are some people selling clothes or Bali souvenirs. And look at this, guys. It's very nice view, isn't it? Green rice paddies, coconut trees. And to enter this waterfall, we need to pay 20,000 rupiah per person. I think it's not bad. It's the same price with other waterfall. So you can park your scooter here as well. And as you can see, the road is still very natural. It's a dirt road. And anyway, if you stay in Bali for a few days, I think it's a good idea to do some tours to visit some places. For example, like in Ubud area, there are a lot of places that you can visit. If you like to explore waterfalls around Ubud, we have a very good tours for you to explore a lot of waterfalls like this Sumampan Waterfall that we will see, and also you can see other waterfalls like Tegenungan Waterfalls, Katulampo, and also Cepung Waterfall, guys. Or you may combine to see many places in a day, not only a waterfall. For example, you can see rice terraces, monkey forest, waterfall, Bali temple, and also you can experience our jungle swing, guys. You can do that in a day. So if you want to have a look at the tours, you can search the link in my video descriptions, and our team will be very happy to drive you to do the tours with you guys. Okay, so we are getting closer to the waterfall. We need to walk down here, so you need to be careful when you walk because it's very small road. I don't see anybody yet. Maybe down at the waterfall there will be few people. So look at this, guys, you need to be careful when you walk down here because it's very small and only enough for one person, I think. And this is the river, and that is the waterfall. It is a very good waterfall, and you can swim around the waterfall. The water also is quite clean, which is good, isn't it? And you can make a picture or video around the waterfall for your social media. I like this waterfall because still very natural, not a lot of cafes around or maybe river club or something like that. I love to enjoy the waterfall like this, guys. Okay everyone, that's all for today's short video from this waterfall. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to support me by subscribing this channel. See you again in the next video. Thank you very much and bye now.